Hey, you guys, it's Nettie Morris, and I'm coming to you today to talk about how you can skyrocket your leads and your sales and the money that goes into your bank account. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome, okay? And if you're just, happening upon my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. Now, do you need more sales? Let's be real. Okay, today is February 21st, okay? And some of you guys have not met your quotas. You have not met your sales projections. And so instead of just looking at it and saying, wow, we haven't made it, now is the time to think about how you can turn that around. Okay? Do you want to get more clients? You want to have a strong finish to your first quarter. Well, I'm here to tell you that you can have it. You can have it. One of the top ways that people are getting the message out about their business, about their offer today is through social media. Everybody's on it. Everybody's on their phone. People spend lots of time on it. They even go to the bathroom and look at their phone and look at social media. So I'm here to tell you that you can advertise affordably on social media. Do you struggle with social media ads? Now, there are lots of courses out here. You know, there is a learning curve when it comes to learning social media, its algorithm, the ad platform, what you can, you cannot do. And so what we have is something that can help get you more sales, more eyeballs on your offer right now. That's right now. You don't have to struggle with social media ads anymore. You can get 5,000 eyeballs a month on your offer. Some of you guys are not getting 500 a month. It's simple. It's affordable. Push button ads for less than $50 a month. You can get your business, your offer out there in front of people, prospective clients. Now, I don't know about you guys, but I know that advertising costs greatly. If you ever paid any money for advertising, $50 is like a drop in the bucket. So what do you get? What do you get? Right? You get your ad out there on social media, on the various platforms, Facebook, Google, YouTube, Instagram, and much, much more. Forbes, CNN, okay? Much, much more than I can name, all right? And you create your ad. It'll take you all of 10 minutes to do it. You can do it right in an app. Press a button, submit, and voila. Your ad can be out there on social media in front of people who are interested in you and your offer. Yes, yes, and yes. You can turn it around. You can have more sales. You can have more eyeballs on your offer. You can get more leads. And the beautiful thing about this system, there's no long-term contracts. So you try it, you don't like it, you don't have to keep going with it. All right. But I highly doubt that you'll want to stop. Why? Because you're going to get eyeballs on your offer, you're going to get some leads, and potentially sales. I have to say potentially because, of course, it's up to you to seal the deal. All right. Now, in the ad that you create, you can include, a website. Uh, the company has now made it so that you even have landing pages that you can create whereby you can have video in it, you can have a contact form. It's jazzy. It's jazzy. And folks, you get this all for under $50. So if you're ready to skyrocket your leads and your sales, okay, you might be an insurance agent. You might be a real estate agent. You may be a chiropractor. You might be a dentist. You might be an attorney, just starting out in your practice. You might be a network marketer. You might sell, boutique items. I mean, anyone can use this, folks. Anybody can use this. So I would suggest to you, if you're ready, if you're serious about taking your business to the next level, it's time to invest. So I am going to put in the comments section, and I have it right here, where you can go to get more information so you can finish out your first quarter in the strongest way possible. With that, you have an awesome rest of the day. Don't forget to subscribe, to hit that notification bell so that when I come back with information that can help you and help your business grow, that you get the info. Take care. Bye-bye.